is that we will design according to what is in each little slot here. So one thing we do at Shelf Genie is we really focus on the needs and the habits of the customer, and then we design accordingly. So myself being a big baker, this was something that was very, very important to me. You'll see that I have all of my baking items, my cutting boards, my casserole dishes, everything at my fingertips, but no longer am I stacking. I'm easily able to just glide them out one at a time without having to worry about it being on the bottom. The other thing to notice is that we will design according to what is in each little slot here. So you'll see grooves where these extra dividers now can be moved around. So again, it's this methodology of really learning the use case for each one of our customers and satisfying those needs with the perfect design.